Congratulations, you just got married and now you're ready to move forward with the marriage-based green card application. Hi, I'm attorney Anita Koumriqian Piper, and I'm going to walk through some of the things that you can make sure that your case has or doesn't have so that you have a stronger green card application. So the very first thing, and my favorite part of applications, is photos. Pictures of your relationship from courtship all the way to marriage. What USCIS officers are expecting to see is pictures with family, pictures with friends. So it's really, really important to show that. We don't want that many selfies. Anybody can take a selfie with a random stranger on the street, but a random stranger on the street is not going to introduce you to your family. So make sure to include pictures of family and friends so that the officer doesn't have any questions about the legitimacy of your marriage. Number 2 is finances. USCIS wants to see that a couple has braided and commingled their lives together. So with this, USCIS wants to see that a couple has joint bank accounts together, that they have a joint credit card together, or that they're authorized users on each other's account and those accounts are actively being used by both of the spouses. So at no point in time should you create a bank account and have no activity in it. That is the number one thing, or maybe the number 2 thing that you can do that could really frustrate a USCIS officer and then make them question the legitimacy of your marriage. Another thing that could be a huge red flag is if you as a couple, a married couple, are not living together and prior to living together, you're moving forward with a green card application. With that, of course, there's plenty of things that you can do to prove that you are in a legitimate good faith relationship. And at this time, you're just having to live together separately, maybe because of work, maybe because of school. But as long as you can show to the officer that what you're doing you're still visiting each other, you're still communicating with each other, you're still a couple, but you're just not living together yet. And that's okay. So again, you just got to prove yourself. Explain to the officer your unique situation. Another thing that could be a red flag is if a couple has a large age gap. Now, it's your job to show and supplement with other pieces of evidence to show, even though we do have a large age gap, age is just a number and love is love. Here's all of the other documents we can show to establish that this is a legitimate relationship. And then the last thing that I always will make sure that I know my clients have not kept their marriage a secret. Your parents have to know about your relationship. If you have children, you have to tell them that you're married. If you have siblings, it's important to share that. Now, again, there's circumstances in which a couple may choose not to share with their family, but again, you want to work with a good attorney to make sure that this is not too uphill of a battle for you. Any questions, reach out to us. Thank you so much for your time.